So they're connected. So that electrical fibers or nervous fibers from the brain go to the spleen where the red cells are stored, or to the bone marrow where they're manufactured, or to the thymus gland in the neck where immune cells mature, and back up to the brain. So there's a constant neurological communication that's going on in our systems 24/7, every second, every millisecond. That's one form of connection. The other connection is by means of chemical messengers that each of these systems secrete into the circulation, which then travel to the other organs, so that the brain reads what's happening in the body, and the body reads what's happening in the brain. So it turns out that the immune cells in our circulation can manufacture every hormone that the brain can manufacture. So the immune cells in your circulation are talking to the brain and listening to the brain. That's the second connection. The third connection is the brain-gut connection. So let me ask you this question, and I'll ask for a show of hands. If you've had the following experience, please just put your hand up. That is, that you had a powerful gut feeling about something, and you ignored it, and you were sorry afterwards. Okay, if you've had that experience, put your hand up. Okay, just about everybody here. Now, why is it that the gut is so much brighter than the brain is? Not the brain, but the mind. Than the intellect, I should say. It's very simple. Because the gut is connected to the brain, in fact, the gut sends many more connections to the brain than vice versa. When the gut receives messages from the brain, it reads them, and it magnifies them and sends them back up to the brain. So the gut feelings tell you the whole picture. Your thoughts only tell you a small part of the picture. So people who had a stroke in the part of the brain where language is processed, these are called aphasiacs. They're much better able to tell when somebody's lying than the average person who can understand speech. Why do you suppose? Since they don't understand the words, what are they paying attention to? They got feelings, which read the body language of the person.